Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Outreach AI to generate email variants and automate sends, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Outreach AI website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary information such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to your Outreach AI dashboard. Locate the email variants section on the main navigation menu. Click on Create New Email Variant to begin. Choose a template that suits your outreach goals. Fill in the subject line for your email variant. Write the main body of your email, ensuring it is concise and engaging. Utilize the built-in AI suggestions to enhance your copy. Adjust the tone and style settings according to your target audience. Preview your email variant to ensure it appears as intended. Save your email variant once you are satisfied with the content. Now, navigate to the automation section in the dashboard. Click on Create New Campaign to set up your email sending schedule. Select the email variant you just created from the drop-down menu. Define your target audience by uploading a contact list or integrating your CRM. Set the sending times and frequency for your campaign. Review all settings to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Launch Campaign button. Monitor the performance of your campaign in the Analytics section. Adjust your strategies based on the insights you gather. With these steps, you are all set to effectively use Outreach AI for generating email variants and automating your outreach efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.